Hi, it's the Sandlapper RVers. The wife and I took a ride out to Lynches River County Park. It's located in Coward, South Carolina technically, but it's only a few miles out of Florence, South Carolina. In this video you'll note that there is a campground and there are a couple of cabins here at this park. But the park itself is located on the Lynches Scenic River between Florence and Lake City, and is a 676 acre park operated by Florence County Parks and Recreation. In this park you'll find a variety of wildlife set in a community of longleaf pines, cypress trees, and sand hills. First we're going to take a look at the campground. The campground itself is very limited. It only has 3 sites with water and electricity, and there's no dump station in the park at all. The remaining 7 sites are suitable for dry camping or boondocking. There's no facilities at all for those. As you can see in this clip here, they've got 50, 30, and 20 amp available in the breaker box. Now we'll take a look at the first 3 campsites in order of 3, 2, and 1. This is number 3, and this is number 2. And this is number 1. It's at the back of the park near the archery range. I didn't really check out the archery range, but apparently it's open. I didn't see any sign that said it was closed. And there's a restroom here for the campsite. Here's some views of the rest of the campground. None of these have water or electricity, but it's a nice campground. It's really isolated. If you want to have some peace and quiet, this would be the place. I've been to this park several times, and I've only seen one person camping in the campground in the whole time I've been out here. The nightly rates for the campground can be found on their website, which I'll post in the description a link. Okay, let's go back into the main part of the park. And the first place we're going to go to is called the Environmental Center. There's lots of exhibits in there and lots of stuff to see. If you walk straight on through, you'll go out the back door and you'll come to a swinging bridge. It's really cool for kids and adults. It spans across the forest for a little ways and then comes back. Be sure to check this out. It's a lot of fun. Once you go back inside, you'll find a certified nature center which features live animals and hands-on exhibits. Once you go back outside, you'll be able to try your hand at tying some knots. Also at Lynches River County Park, there's a 6,500 square foot community building which accommodates groups up to 400 people. Shown here is the canoe and kayak launch area, also a great place to take some pictures. Here we have a nice boardwalk that goes along the Lynches River. It's great for viewing the river, wildlife, and for just taking a stroll. This is one of the nature trails that takes you through the woods. Okay, this is the way to the cabins, the climbing wall, and the water park. The water park and splash pad is being totally redone and should be ready by spring of 2025. Here's the climbing wall. It's being used right now and it's fairly challenging. There are attendants on duty to help you get suited up and to monitor your progress. And as the sign says, there is a disc golf course coming soon. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.